How to change country on H&M app. So first of all, you need to remember after changing your country, you need to create a new account in order to use your account in that country. So let's get started. First of all, open your H&M app, and then from here, make sure that you are logged into your account. Then from here, tap on the search icon right here. Then we'll get to this search page, from which if you scroll down, you'll get the option of app settings. Tap on it. And then from here, you can see under the regional settings, there is the option of country. Tap on it. And then in here, choose the country that you like. So for now, I'm going to go with Saudi Arabia. Simply tap on it and then tap on Save Changes. And then in here, you can see it gives you the warning that you will be logged out and your shopping bag will be emptied if you change the market. If you are sure about it, simply tap on OK. And after doing that, here you can see we have now successfully changed our country. And like I said, you need to create a new account to use in this country. So you can simply tap on your profile icon right here. And in here, you'll need to enter your email address, then tap on continue. And then you can enter all of your details and create your account. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.